Welcome to Floor Facts. I'm Smart Hardwood.
And I'm conventional hardwood.
Today we have a question from John and Julie.
Dear Floor Facts, hardwood looks great when it's new, but what happens when it gets damaged and needs to be repaired?
Well, Julie, it all starts with one of these. We'll start by cutting out the damaged board with a circular saw. Hopefully your contractor doesn't cut out the good floorboards, because that could get really expensive.
Will the replacement boards match the color of the existing floors?
Well, conventional hardwood can fade with exposure to light, so it's not likely. I wouldn't worry about it though. You can always cover up that spot with simple household items when company comes over.
Julie, with Smart Hardwood, replacing damaged boards is easy. All we need is a hammer and a special tool called the TORLYS Bulldog. No cutting required. In fact, you won't even need to remove your baseboards. The Smart joint allows you to take a good plank from the corner of the room and replace a damaged plank in the center of the room. Since the replacement plank comes from the same room, the color and grain should match perfectly. With Smart Hardwood, you only need to replace the damaged plank, not the entire floor.
So, what you're saying is that with Smart Hardwood, replacing a damaged plank is easy and the color will match every time.
A perfect match, every single time.
That does sound good.
What?
We'll talk about this later.